Hello everyone, I am OlaJoe the Crocheting Sailor, and I wanted to come on today and show you what I just received from Darn Good Yarn. Some of you may already be familiar with Darn Good Yarn and their membership boxes, and this may be new to some. So let's go ahead and get started, and I will show you my experience. This is a Darn Good Yarn box, and I just love the color. It says, enjoy your journey and make it yours, from Nicole and the DGY crew. Nicole is the founder and CEO of Darn Good Yarn. And then as you look around, it has some nice sayings on it. I craft so hard, I sweat glitter. Yarn is my happy place. Yes, it is. And my yarn and I are similar as it unwinds. I do too. So let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside. So this is the first box. This is sponsored by Darn Good Yarn. And if you're thinking or interested in doing a subscription, this is the first thing that they'll get. They'll get this nicely wound ball of yarn. They'll also receive a mystery item, mystery gift, and also they will receive the Yarn of the Month pamphlet. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this beautiful ball of yarn. This is worsted weight silk roving yarn, a medium weight 4. And this is a 50-gram ball, and it's 75 yards. You can hand wash, and this is made in India. This is hand spun and hand dyed by women in India. It's beautiful for you and for our global community, it says. So, for the knit gauge, it's 4 to 5 millimeter, 7 to 9 US. For crochet, the gauge is 5.5 to 6.5 millimeter, and I9 to K US. And it just has the little saying on the back, start at love, spread the joy. We believe in helping people find their true joy. Our respectfully sourced products are designed to inspire artful living while providing lifelong connections. Excellent. I just love this. I guess I could put this in my little bowl. Isn't that cute? So let's get right into the box. How much is it? Okay, well, for the subscriptions, it's $20 a month. And if you can look right here, it says $19.99. This mystery gift right here more than pays for the whole box. I mean, just think about it. This is hand-dyed yarn, hand spun. And then you're also getting these lovely, look at these lovely hooks. These are knitting needles. So you're going to get both. Look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? And look at the little tip. That's what I like, that. The little caps. Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. I'm like, oh. Right. Oh, so for the knitters out there, yes, I know that you will love it. Now, look at the crochet hook. Look at that. Can you see? Oh, it's beautiful. I can't wait to use it. So I will be showing you very shortly how it works, because I am a crocheter. And we'll go ahead and slip on into the book. It says, hey there, congratulations on taking the first step to being an artsy, interesting, and creatively empowered crafter. So it gives a little information right here, a nice message from Nicole. And then if you look here, it shows you the people that actually make it and how it's done. Amazing. I love it. It says, meet the artisans. Look at this. It's only fitting for us to send our favorite yarn in your first box. So we want you to feel all the goodness that our artisans have put into each and every skein. Look at that. Oh, they do amazing work. And it says, I made your yarn. Oh, I'm just so touched by that. This yarn is recycled and it's made from a silk byproduct. The one thing that I do like about getting the yarn box in this subscription is they give you information on where your products come from. It said this month's yarn, it tells you what it is. Here is the mystery gift. And it says right here, it's handcrafted with care. The origin is India. Medium weight 4, hand washed cold, and made from recycled materials. Excellent. Yarn Club exclusives. It said your subscription includes way more than what's in the box. Club shipping rate. That's right. You'll get discounted club shipping on all your yarn, darn good yarn orders. Darn good yarn dashboard. You will have access to that, to exclusive offers available only to club members. It says need a break? You can skip a month if you would like at any time with the customizable billing. Okay, so you'll have online community that you can get in touch with. Unparalleled customer service. Okay, so if you have any questions or comments or anything of that nature, they do have an amazing customer service team that is available for you. The stitch, you will have access to patterns. Right here it says to digital download. So the stitch was designed with you in mind, it says. So let's turn and see what we have. If you're new to knitting and crocheting, they do show you how you can use your tools. And they also put in where you can actually go online to find out how you can do the stitch. It says for crochet, slip knot, base chain, first row and bind off, and for knit, slip knot, long tail, cast on, and cast off. There is a knit pattern included and also a crochet pattern included in the book. If you have any questions or anything at all, you can just refer to your book. It has all of this information right here. It has the email, phone number, and you can follow Darn Good Yarn on Facebook and Instagram. And it says, thank you so much. Thank you for your purchase, and it helps people and the planet. And it says your order has been packaged with love, and it shows all the people. This, you can't get no closer and better than this. This is amazing. I have to give them a bravo for this. This is excellent. So I am going to go ahead and do the crochet pattern. So I have some of this beautiful pattern worked up. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Very lovely. Look at there. I love the pops of color and how the colors just transition. Beautiful. I love it. I cannot wait until I'm done with this, but I just had to come on and show you that I'm using the wooden hook, and this is the first time that I'm actually using one, and I like it. And I see why it is paired with the silk roving yarn, because using the metal hook, it slides too much through the yarn, and it's just a very uncomfortable feeling. So I'm loving the wood with this. Takes some getting used to, but it's worth it. It's worth it. I say that this subscription box is well worth it. I'm really enjoying it, to be honest. And if you're interested, I will put a link right down below in the description box. And you can go and look, and you can just see what Darn Good Yarn has to offer. You don't have to buy anything, but it's free to take a look-see. So this will be your opportunity. Do a little window shopping during this time. And that's what I've been doing, is window shopping online. Just going to different stores and checking out what they have. And for some of you crafters out there that don't just crochet or knit, Darn Good Yarn has a bead subscription, fabric subscription of the month. Let's see what else. A mystery skirt of the month, and also a sock of the month subscription. So that's worth a look see. They do have a digital membership available. So if you are interested in something that's online, you can go and check it out. But I love this. I can't wait till I get this completed. Thank you very much for tuning in. I want you guys to have a wonderful rest of the week. Bye, and I'll talk to you next time.